In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar from start to finish. To begin using Google Calendar, you'll first need to navigate to the Google Calendar website or open the mobile app on your device. Sign in using your Google account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left sidebar, you'll find a list of your calendars along with the navigation tools. At the top bar, you'll see the Create button, which looks like a plus sign, alongside search and settings options. The main view is where you can check your daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. Next, you'll want to choose how you view your schedule. Google Calendar offers several options. Day View provides a detailed hour-by-hour breakdown, ideal for scheduling appointments. Week View gives an overview of your entire week, making it great for workload planning. Month View lets you see all your upcoming deadlines and events at a glance, while the Schedule View lists all upcoming events in a straightforward format. Switching between these views is easy. Use the drop-down at the top right corner or press the keyboard shortcuts. D for Day View, W for Week View, M for Month View, and A for Agenda. Creating events is simple. Click the plus Create button or select a time slot directly on your calendar. Enter a title for your event like Team Meeting. Then fill in the date and time, whether it's a single event or a recurring one. Add a location or Google Meet link if needed. Invite guests by entering their emails, which will automatically send them an invitation. Don't forget to include a description or attachments if necessary. Once all details are set, click Save and all your guests will receive an email invitation. Switching gears to reminders and tasks, Google Calendar is incredibly versatile. Reminders are perfect for tasks you don't want to forget, as they roll over until they're marked as done. Tasks let you add personal to-do items through the side panel and display them seamlessly on your calendar. Both reminders and tasks sync effortlessly across Gmail, Calendar, and the Google Tasks app, ensuring you're always up to date. Recurring events can be a real time saver for regular meetings, habits, or classes. When setting up an event, choose the option to repeat it daily, weekly, monthly, or customize it as needed. For example, you might want to set yoga every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 p.m. If you need to share your calendar, head to Settings, navigate to Settings for My Calendar, and select Share with Specific People. You have several sharing options, such as letting others see only your free or busy slots for privacy, or allowing them to see all details. Additionally, you could create a shareable public link for broader visibility, useful for teams or public events. To organize your schedule, create multiple calendars such as work, personal, side hustle, or family. Assign a unique color to each for easier identification, and toggle them on or off in the sidebar to focus on specific areas of your life. Google Calendar's integration capabilities are impressive. It automatically adds Google Meet links to events and syncs with Gmail for events like flights and reservations. Use the sidebar to manage notes and to-dos with Google Keep and Tasks, and explore integrations with popular apps like Zoom, Slack, Trello, or Asana via extensions or Zapier. For notifications, customize event settings to receive pop-ups or email reminders. By default, they appear 10 minutes before the event, but you can add multiple alerts, such as one day before, and again 30 minutes prior, to ensure you never miss a beat. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering Google Calendar. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.